Hey Josh.
What?
You alright?
Yeah.
What are you playing?
Nothing.
Good evening. Is anyone else downstairs?
Where's my phone?
Ben's here. Hey Ben. Well, that was interrupted. Good evening anyway, guys. The current time is 9:10. Yes. But yeah, good evening. Welcome back to a brand new vlog on my channel. My name is James. If you've never watched me before, then what are you doing? Like, whatever. But yeah, welcome back to the weekend vlog. If you are new around here, like I said, then I vlog on a Friday and Saturday, merge the two, boom, there's your weekend vlog on a Sunday. I do that every week. Why not? I like my life. It's been a good week though. Really good week at work. Really good day today, especially. It was really simple, straightforward. I was up around Yeovil. But this evening we are around my mum's. We are putting up her brand new bed, which, yeah, it's gonna be fun. So that's what we're doing this evening. We're about to get Chinese, which I'm looking forward to, and then tomorrow we are popping up to see my brother Alex in Plymouth and show him my new car. So yeah, let's crack on. Oh, and before we crack on, enjoy the video. Finally done. Mind all the rubbish. I can't lift that up. I'm sure they'll figure it out. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, morning guys. As you can tell, my throat is groggy as hell. It's quite annoying really, but there you go. But yeah, morning is Saturday. It's currently 12 o'clock. We've just been having a chilled out lazy morning. I don't feel very well. Well, I'm not ill. As you can tell by my voice, it's groggy. Basically, I was doing like this weird sound with my throat to make Jax laugh, and I was doing it for ages. Now it's just screwed my throat up, so that's not good. So we're going to Asda, then we're going to Smith's Toy Store, and then we are going to my brother Alex's. So yeah, should be a good day. Jax, wakey wakey my boy. We just got out of Smith's Toy Store. What did you buy for it? Little mobile phone. Did you buy the mobile phone?
Yeah.
Nice. And now we're just heading off to my brother Alex's to chill for the day. Do you want to get a drink? Jax, what are you doing? Jack. Come on, Jax.
Not like it's competition. It must be so easy with automatic.
Yeah, it's so nice.
I do like he's got the Asian speeder. We can have ours like that as well.
People think it's got a clutch and a brake.
Yep.
Not a clutch.
No clutch.
You don't have a clutch.
No,
No.
brake. I know.
Although, do you reach for the clutch? Do you find yourself reaching for
Yes.
the clutch?
The other day I was driving and I was like this. I was driving down the road at like 30, and then I had my hand on the gear stick to ready to get change the gears. Hey, alright? Turn the light off. Bye. We go out that way, don't we? Right, we are back from Alex and Danny's in Plymouth. Really good day actually. We got there, just sat and watched football, had a laugh, went and got some chippy, and yeah, just had a generally nice time around them, and they like my car, so that's cool. But yeah, we're just home, getting all the stuff in. Why is his bumper seat under his buggy? Hold on. We are home. Got all the stuff now. Ugh, these bags are heavy. But yeah, we're just gonna chill for the night. We got 2 EastEnders to watch, which is cool. And then we are going to Caitlin's uncle's tomorrow for breakfast. He definitely thought I was a weird, isn't he?
I am sorry. I never meant to put you in this situation.
So it is like 5 to 12 now, and my throat is still groggy as fuck.
What? What?
You just woke up. I'm just finishing my vlog. But yeah, it's like 5 to 12 now. We've just been chilling. It's been such a relaxing weekend. And yeah, I'm not feeling the best, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. It hasn't been the best vlog, but at the same time, it's been a busy weekend, so I hope you guys did enjoy it anyway. If you did, a big fat thumbs up would be much appreciated, and if you are new around here, then a subscription would be good as well. So yeah, hope you guys did enjoy. Hope you guys have had a good weekend or a week whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you when I'm less groggy next week. Good night.